to tell you a story. Do you like stories?
Yes.
Good. In English? Do you like stories in English?
Yes.
Brilliant. Because today I'm going to tell you a story in English. And it begins like this. It says, once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a magic place where everything was green. Green. Look, this is green. Now, where's my pen? In this magic place, the trees were green. I see green trees. And the grass was green. Yes, it was green. And do you know what was green? Caterpillars. Caterpillars were green. Yes, caterpillars were green too. Oh, this is strange. Who's ever seen a green tree? Dear me. Oh, there was another green thing. It was leprechauns. Leprechauns. What's a leprechaun? What's this? Oh? I don't know. That's a leprechaun. Yes. But is a leprechaun an animal? No, it isn't. Is a leprechaun a monster? No, it isn't. A leprechaun is a little boy or a little girl, all dressed in green. Yes, can you see the green? Now, here I've got a picture of a leprechaun. Look, leprechauns have got a green hat. What color is the hat?
Green.
Green, thank you. Leprechauns have got green jackets. What color is the jacket?
Green.
And green trousers. What color are the trousers?
Green.
And green shoes. What color are the shoes? Green. Yes, with big buckles. Very good, very good. Now, let me tell you something about leprechauns. These green creatures. Leprechauns love music. They love music. Yes, but there's a problem. They love music made with green instruments, like a green piano, a green guitar, strange, or a green fiddle, a green violin. Dear me, that's impossible. Yes, green, everything green. That's impossible. Anyway, leprechauns love shamrocks. Yes, they love shamrocks because it's a plant and it's green. Yes, they love shamrocks. Leprechauns love rainbows. Look, rainbows. Is this rainbow green?
Yes.
Yes, no. Well, there is a little bit of green. There's a little bit of green. I'll put the rainbow here. Oh, and the most important thing. Leprechauns love money, 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 money. Look. Yes, money, 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 money. They have a lot of money, a lot of gold coins in a pot. In a black pot. Yes. And they keep the black pot at the other end of the rainbow. Yes, that's where the money is. At the other end of the rainbow. It's a magic place. And they have a lot of gold coins. Now, me, what have I got? What have I got? I have 2 gold coins. That's all. Only 2. Can you count them? 1, 2. 1, 2. That's all. But I want more. I want more. I want more gold coins. Now, what can I do? What can I do? Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. I know. I'm going to catch a leprechaun and steal his pot of gold. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to catch a leprechaun. But how do I catch a leprechaun? difficult. Think. Come on, help me think. Say, think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. I know. I'm going to make a special trap for catching leprechauns. Yes, that's what I'll do. I make a trap for leprechauns. So, I'm going to get a hammer, right? I'm going to make a trap for leprechauns. Here I go. Be careful, Eva. And with a bing and a bang and a clackety-clang. That sounds nice. Again. Shall we do it again? Yeah. With a bing and a bang and a clackety-clang. Ta-da! Here's my trap. Look, I've made a trap for leprechauns. Look. This is a special trap to catch a leprechaun and then steal his pot of gold. Yes, the gold, the money for me. Yes. Now then, here's my trap. Very good. But how can I catch the leprechaun? How can I catch the leprechaun? I don't know. Help me think, please. Come on, help me. Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. I know. I'll have to make some music with a green instrument. But that's impossible. One moment, please. What's this here? What's this? Hey! It's a green instrument! It's a green tin whistle! I can make some music. Special music for leprechauns. Let's see. It goes. Not very good, but anyway. I've got the green music. The leprechaun is not here. Let me see. Is the leprechaun here? No, not yet. I need to think again. Come on, help me think.
Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think.
I know. Leprechauns love music. That's okay. Leprechauns love shamrocks. How about if I put the shamrock in the trap? Is that a good idea?
Yes.
Yes? Now, who can come here and help me? I need a little boy or a little girl. You, come here, please. Come here. What's your name, please? Estelle. A big round of applause for Estelle. Estelle, can you get the green shamrock and put it in the trap, please? The green shamrock. In the trap, please. Yes? That's nice. Very good. Thank you, Estelle. Thank you. Now you can sit down. So here we have the trap, the shamrock in the trap. I'm going to set it up. Please. Right. Now we need some green music. Let's see if it's a bit better this time. I want to catch a leprechaun. I want to catch a leprechaun and steal his pot of gold. That's what I'll do. Oh dear, but look, the moon is high. It's time to go to bed. I'm going to bed. Good night. Good night.
All right.
What's this? It's a shamrock. I don't want a shamrock. So let's put the shamrock in the box. And I'll put the card in the box. Snap!
it. A moment, let's see. Oh yes, makes noise. Yes, I think I've got a leprechaun. Did you see a leprechaun? Did you see it? Yes. Did it have a green hat?
Yes.
That's a leprechaun with a green hat, I'm sure. Right, I need to open the trap. Are you going to help me, please? Are we going to count 1, 2, 3 all together? Yes? Come on then. On the count of 3, I'm going to open the trap.
1, 2, 3.
And oh, what's this? It's a rabbit. Yes, thank you. It's a rabbit, but I don't want a rabbit. I don't want a, and it's a white rabbit. I don't want a rabbit. I want a leprechaun. And still his pot of gold for me, yes. Oh dear me. And look, my shamrock. My shamrock is here. Oh, I know what's happened. Look. Leprechauns love shamrocks. And rabbits love shamrocks too. Yum, 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 yum. They eat the shamrocks. That's the problem. Oh dear. What can I do? How can I catch a leprechaun? It's difficult. Very difficult, yes. Now help me think. Please, come on, let's do some thinking.
Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think.
I know. I've got the music. Leprechauns love rainbows. I should put a rainbow in the trap. Oh, that's difficult. Oh, I know. I'll put the trap near the water. Can you see the water here? Look. The water's blue, right? It's a lake, beautiful lake. And I'm putting the trap here, in the water. Very good. Now I need a little boy or a little girl. You, come on then here, come here. Thank you. And what's your name, please? Iker. A big round of applause for Iker. Can you put the rainbow in the trap, please? The rainbow? Oh, that's a strong boy. Very good. Come on. Very good. Thank you, Iker. You can sit down now. Thank you. Right then, the rainbow's in the trap. I'll set up my trap here. And, oh dear, look. It's night time again. It's very late. It's time to go to bed. Good night. Good night. I'm going to bed. Oh, I'm tired.
What's this? The rainbow. I don't want a rainbow, so I put the rainbow in the box and the frog box. Snap!
Snap? Was that a snap? Was it a snap from my trap? Yes! Look! The lid is down. Oh, I'm sure I've got a leprechaun this time. Boys and girls, did you see a leprechaun?
Yes.
Was he wearing a green hat?
Yes.
And a green jacket and green trousers?
Yes.
Yes, are you sure? Or a dress? Or a dress? A dress? It's a she-leprechaun! It's a little girl! Oh, dear me. So much the better, because they have a lot of money. Okay then. Let me see. Let me get my trap. Oh yes. I've got the leprechaun this time. I've got the she-leprechaun. I'm intelligent. Oh, thank you for the thinking. I'm very clever. Go on, I'm going to open the trap, but you've got to help me. Count of 3, we'll open it all together, okay? Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
What's this? Hey! It's It's green. Yes, it's green. But this is not a leprechaun. What's this?
A frog.
It's a frog. I don't want a frog. I want a leprechaun. Dear me. Oh, I don't understand. Why have I got a frog and not a leprechaun? Think, Silvia, think. Ah, I know. Look. Leprechauns love rainbows in the water, and frogs, rabbit, they love water too. That's the problem. That's why I caught a frog. Oh dear, what can I do? The music. I didn't do the music. That's why I didn't catch a leprechaun. I must remember next time. I'll have to think a bit more. Are you going to help me with the thinking? Yes, come on then, all together. Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. Think, Silvia, think. I know. Let me see. What's this in my pocket? Apart from the tissue. It's 2 gold coins. I have 2 gold coins, and I love my gold coins. But leprechauns like gold coins. Yes. 5? No, I've only got 2. 1, 2, no more. I'm poor. Now, but if I put the coins in the trap, the leprechaun will come to the trap. Shall I put the coins in the trap? Yes. Is it a good idea? But they are my coins. I want them for me. Shall I put them in the trap? Yes. Okay then, I'll go with you. I'll listen to you. Now I need a little boy or a little girl. You there at the back. Bye. Bye, coins. Can you put the coins, please, in the trap? Thank you. Oh, sorry. And your name is? Cinta. A big round of applause for Cinta. Thank you. So Cinta has put my gold coins in the trap. I don't think it's a good idea. No, I don't think it's a good idea. Anyway, I'll set it up. Now, the music. Because we forgot the music with the green instrument. Where is it? Here it is. Okay? Listen, and then we can sing. I want to catch a leprechaun. Want to catch a leprechaun and steal her pot of gold because it's a she leprechaun. Okay? Oh, look at the sky. It's so late. I can see all the stars again. Very late. I'm going to go. Good night, everybody. Bye. Good night. Was that a snap? Yes. Was it a snap from my trap? Yes, was it? Are you sure it wasn't you going snap? Was it not? No? Sure? Okay, it was the trap. Okay then. Now, boys and girls, did you see a leprechaun? Yes. Was she wearing a green hat? Yes. And was she wearing a green dress?
Yes.
And did she have some gold coins? Some money? Yes. Right. I'm sure she's in my trap now. I'm going to be rich. Yes. Makes a noise. Now, I'm going to open the trap. You've got to help me. Okay? Count of 3. All together. Come on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. One moment. There's nothing in my trap. It's empty. And my gold coins? Where are my gold coins? The leprechaun took them. Did she? from me, from the poor people. Oh dear, oh dear. So now I've got nothing. I've got no gold coins. I have not 2 gold coins. But I have my music. Shall we sing the song again? Shall we sing the song again? Because another day I'm going to make another trap. A bigger trap. A better trap. And I'll catch a leprechaun. Yes, I will. And I will steal her pot of gold. Now, and my music goes like this. Are you ready? And that's the end. The other trap will be another day. That's how the story ends. Thank you very much to all of you for helping. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Children, not for the mummies and daddies, for the children. Oh, sorry. So, yes, if you line up here, please, boys and girls, little ones first,